In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily zoom in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, I want to zoom in, but I don't know what to do. So what you should do is that you should scroll over to your left and select this magnifying tool right over here. And then you can easily left click and pull down, and this should easily zoom in. For example, you just left click right over here and then you swipe down your mouse and it will easily zoom in Photoshop. The second method is by pressing the control button and the plus key. So you can easily select the control button and the plus key, and this will zoom in slowly just like this. That's how you can easily zoom in. So it's the control and the plus key, and that will zoom in. And the easiest way for me is just by selecting this two right over here and then left clicking. Once you left click, you can then it will then easily zoom in, and you can easily control where you want to zoom in by, for example, if I place it right over here, it's going to zoom in right over this side. If I select this side right over here, it's going to zoom in right over there. So that's the easiest way to zoom in on Photoshop. So that's how you can easily zoom in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.